The Osteopathic Family Physician of the Year Award honors physicians who have made outstanding contributions to the osteopathic profession and local communities. Nominations are solicited from ACOFP affiliate societies and the general membership, with the selection made by the awards committee and the final approval by the Board of Governors.
For more than 40 years, this esteemed osteopathic family physician has been an advocate, lifelong educator, and volunteer in osteopathic family medicine within his local Indiana community, throughout the state, and beyond. A leader in the Indiana Osteopathic Association noted in his nomination letter, he is extremely passionate about promoting the osteopathic profession, taking care of his patients, and improving healthcare in his community and throughout the state. His osteopathic principles and dedication to the profession have been a source of strength for us. I am very honored to introduce this year's Osteopathic Family Physician of the Year Award recipient, Bruce C. Brink, Jr., DO, FACOFP.
A third-generation osteopathic physician, Dr. Brink Jr. was literally born into osteopathic medicine. The oldest of Lois and Bruce Brink Sr.'s 4 children, he was brought into this world while his father was in school at Kirksville College of Osteopathic Medicine, studying to be an osteopathic physician like his father, Dr. C. Allen Brink. Enrolling at Kirksville College of Osteopathic Medicine in 1973, Dr. Brink Jr. continued the legacy that his grandfather and father had started. During his residency in Dayton, Ohio, Dr. Brink Jr. explored several specialties in the medical field. While receiving offers to join other specialty practices, he decided that he wanted to move back to Princeton and join his father full-time in family practice in 1979. Dr. Brink Jr. joined ACOFP early in his career and has served on several committees. In 2000, Dr. Brink Sr. and Dr. Brink Jr. both became ACOFP Fellows, which marked the first time that a father and son became a fellow at the same time. Dr. Brink Jr. also joined the Indiana Osteopathic Association's governing board, serving as president from 1986 to 1987. And since 2001, he has served as chairman of the organization's Continuing Medical Education Committee, providing leadership in developing high-quality CME programs. In the community, Dr. Brink Jr. joined Gibson General Hospital and served as chief of staff 5 times while taking care of his busy practice and mentoring young medical students. In his roles as both Assistant Gibson County Public Health Officer and, since 2000, as County Health Officer, Dr. Brink worked with committees to explore the needs of the community and found that there was a large section of the county that could be served by a low-income community clinic. Establishing a need to be filled, an idea took shape, and the Tulip Tree Rural Health Clinic came into being. Serving as its first medical director, Dr. Brink Jr. was able to help shape the clinic into a vital part of the community, which continues its work today to help improve the health of Gibson County.
I want to thank the ACOFP board for awarding me the Family Physician of the Year. Being a third-generation osteopathic physician, I am truly humbled with this recognition, which acknowledges all the work that I have done in my community, state, and national organization. I received a call from Nicole Bixler, DO, president of ACOFP, to inform me of my award. I was truly taken back. I want to recognize all my mentors and colleagues who have made an impact in my career in medicine. Most of all, I want to thank my father, Bruce C. Brink Sr., DO, FACOFP, for his mentorship in my growth as an osteopathic physician. Early in my career, he encouraged me to get involved in our state organization as a trustee of the board and many other capacities, as well as president. I joined ACOFP early in my career, and in 2000, my father and I became fellows together. I want to thank my mother, the late Lois Jean Brink, RN, for always encouraging me to do my best. I want to thank my wife, Becky, of 32 years, my children and siblings for their support and encouragement throughout my career. I want to thank my office staff and administrative staff of the Indiana Osteopathic Association for lending support in our endeavors of the osteopathic profession. Again, I want to thank my family of the ACOFP for recognizing me as Family Physician of the Year 2021. I stand on the shoulders of those who came before me. Truly, God has blessed me. I hope everyone has a good virtual conference. Thank you.